In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GTA San Andreas and Bluestacks 5, step by step. We'll cover the easiest route through the Google Play Store and a backup method using an APK with an OBB file if the Play Store isn't cooperating. By the end, you'll have the game running in Bluestacks. First, open Bluestacks 5 and make sure you're on the home screen. From there, launch the Google Play Store. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to use your Google account, which is required to access the store and manage purchases. In the search bar, type GTA San Andreas and look for the official listing from Rockstar Games. Open the game page, click Install, and let Bluestacks handle the download and data setup. When the button changes to open, tap it and the game should launch inside Bluestacks so you can start playing right away. If the Play Store isn't working for you, there's a backup method that uses an APK and an OBB file. Use this only when necessary, and always download from legitimate sources you trust and for content you're licensed to use. Inside Bluestacks, open Chrome and search for GTA San Andreas APK plus OBB download. Save both the APK file and the OBB game data. Next, open the Bluestacks file manager, locate the APK you just downloaded, and select Install. After the app installs, return to the file manager and move the OBB file to Android, then the folder named com rockstar games.gtsa. This exact folder name matters. If it's off by even one character, the game won't detect its data. Once the OBB is in place, go back to the Bluestacks home screen, tap GTA San Andreas, and it should launch normally. If you run into problems, try a few quick fixes. If the game won't install from the Play Store, clear the Play Store cache in Bluestacks settings. For a black screen on launch, restart Bluestacks or update your graphics driver. If the OBB isn't detected, make sure the path ends with com rockstar games. TCCs exactly. For smoother performance, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM to Bluestacks. Enable high performance mode in its settings and close background apps on your computer. Follow these steps and tips, and you'll be cruising through San Andreas on Bluestacks 5 in no time.